A few days ago, it was announced that Samsung intends to launch the Galaxy S24 series in January 2024. This is, interestingly, a month before they launch their flagship devices. The Galaxy S24's announcement date, order dates, and shipment dates are now known. The Galaxy S24 will be introduced on January 17, 2024 in San Jose, California, according to the Elec and Tarun Vats. It's worth mentioning that Samsung generally organizes their Galaxy Unpacked launch event in New York. However, it seems like the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event for the next S24 series may be held in Apple's neighborhood. Customers in South Korea, according to the source, may begin pre-ordering the S24 series on either January 18 or January 19 because of time differences, with devices slated to arrive between January 26 and January 30. The Galaxy S24 will be available for purchase directly from Samsung beginning January 30, 2024. While we do not yet have pricing information for the S24 series, it is expected that Samsung will maintain costs comparable to their last release. This means that the basic edition of the Galaxy S24 will cost approximately $900, while the higher-end variants, S24 Plus and Ultra, would cost between $1,000 and $1,200. For the Galaxy S24 launch event, Samsung considered San Francisco and Seoul. However, after careful analysis, they chose San Jose owing to their relationship with Google and the competitive environment created by Apple. In order to boost sales during the first quarter of the year, the company is introducing the Galaxy S24 2 weeks before the Galaxy S23. Due to the launch of the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series phones, the company seems to have decided on a schedule in which sales peak in quarter 1 and quarter 3 of each year. Consider this comparison chart, which demonstrates the GPU power of several chipsets. The Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, which will be included in the S24 range. It not only outperforms Apple's M1 processor, which is used in their computers. It also consumes less electricity. What's more, Apple's newest processor, the S16 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, isn't even close to matching the 8 Gen 3. It slows. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.